Good morning, everyone.
Good
We
morning.
have a
Good morning,
project
sir.
for you.
Sir.
Every 10 years, India has a census of 130 crore peoples. And from this time, we are planning to digitalize it. And we want you to make an app for every person taking the census doing the same.
So our requirements are as follows. We need an easy UI for everyone. The system should be scalable and support around 50,000 concurrent users. UI must be able in all regional languages. System must be able to scan documents and capture and store the images. A good dashboard is also required.
Also, the data must be structured and consistent for calculation and statistics. The data analysis using AI ML for useful insight is expected. We need an option to get biometric detail, thumb impression, signature of the people. The system should be efficient. Response from the server should be at most 2 seconds. And lastly, all the data is sensitive and must be secure and encrypted.
That sounds like a great initiative, and we'd be more than happy to work for such a great cause. Working for the government will be very special for us.
Yes, we would get back with you with the requirement list shortly.
Okay then, good luck, all the best.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, hey there, people. We are here to discuss our latest assigned project, Digital Census for the Government.
Yes.
This is a great project for us. We are getting an opportunity to work with the Government of India. Please consider this project as a top priority.
So one of the most crucial requirements is going to be the ability to use in multiple languages. UI has to be our top priority. Also, we need people from various technical backgrounds to understand the project completely.
Yes, sure.
A few moments later.
So we have completed the SRS.
Yeah, it looks good. Let's get all the missing links and doubts cleared during the next client meeting.
After which we can rightfully estimate the schedule and the cost of the project.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet next time.
Thank you.
Okay, bye guys.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, we now have obtained a rough picture of the project, and the requirements team have some doubts for you.
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Can you please specify the exact number of concurrent users using the system?
Yes, every year 5 lakh people take it, and we expect a seamless and optimized application for at least double the count.
Yes, we would also need contacts from the NIC for DB storage and encryption.
Yes, we will do that shortly.
Yeah, okay.
A few moments later.
So, we have agreed upon the SRS. The schedule is decided, and we estimate that the project will be completed in 2 man-months.
All the best, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
So, hey designers, we are here to discuss about the digital census app for the government.
Yes, please give us the requirements of highest priorities.
UI is our highest priority because we have to make it accessible for all kinds of people of tech experience. Also, keep it in mind that it is going to be used by a lot of people simultaneously and would have to store immense amount of data. So please keep it optimized and on heavy duty.
Yes, we would look into this and get back to you.
All right, we are running on a tight schedule.
Let us discuss about the upgoing project of Government of India.
Hello Ruturaj, as we are focusing on the optimization, we must use a good database and efficient algorithm. And one more thing to remember is we must choose the simplest UI as ease for the senses people.
Yes, you are absolutely right about that. We must also ask the knowledge manager to get the information about all the language used in the app.
Yeah, I have conveyed to him. He will get back to us.
Yes, then let's prepare the design document.
3 days later.
Okay, the design doc is ready. Now the coding process can start.
So let us forward the design document to the developers.
Okay.
Good morning. So guys, we have received a design document from the design team. So Rohan,
Yes, sir.
you have to handle the database and develop the required APIs for the software.
All right, sir.
Meanwhile, Kshitija, you have got to handle the front end along with the feature of multiple languages and make sure that UI is according to design prototype.
All right, sir. Would get to it.
Meanwhile, I would work on integration, authentication, and security. Also, while working on the code, write the unit test scripts parallelly.
All right, sir. We did get back to you with the code and the script.
Yes, thank you, sir.
3 weeks later.
Sir, we have completed the code and the test scripts. We are ready for unit testing.
Good. Please keep me updated.
Six hours later.
Sir, all the unit tests are completed and passed.
That's great news. Let's begin with verification.
Have you all well commented and documented the code?
Yes, sir. We have made sure that all practices are followed.
Yes, sir. You may check the configuration versioning and Kanban we followed.
1 hour later.
Let's proceed for integration testing and system testing. I will inform the tester.
We are starting the testing of our software system.
Yes, sir. We have completed the test script according to the test plan.
3 days later.
Sir, we have found 20 bugs in the complete software.
Okay, we are also on the schedule with the project. Let's inform the developer about the bug for the correction.
Later that same evening.
So the bugs have now been resolved and the cases are passed.
That's great. I will inform the project manager. We can proceed for deployment.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. We hope that the project is on track.
Yes, sir. We have just completed the development and testing, and we have deployed the software for UAT.
That's great news. We will start UAT as soon as possible and get back to you.
Thank you, sir.
3 days later.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So after doing UAT from our part, we have found that the software is great and you have far exceeded the expectations.
Yes, we shall now release the payment within the next month.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. Our team would also be associated with the software for maintenance.
Yes. Thanks a lot for great job.
Yeah, thank you for giving us this opportunity. It was pleasure working for you and we hope for more chances to work together. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Guys, I hereby declare that the El Censo Digital Census project has been a resounding success. This has been a financial rewarding and tiring endeavor. I invite Devan to speak.
So it has really been a hard time for us since the pandemic, and the way we pulled off a massive project like that completely from our homes, it deserves all the praise and more. I wish our team flourishes and we do more such projects together. And a really heartiest congratulations to everybody. Yes.
Have a huge round of applause.
Yes. Sure.